In this section, we will see the limitation of neuron, and as we know that the neurons are very much useful because of that we are forming the neural networks, and as everything is having the positive points, definitely some limitations are there. Generally, the neurons are responsible for connecting or collecting the inputs, then modulating and driving that particular inputs to the next layer so that they can transmit it in the function, and then particular activation functions can be applied, and then we can get the particular output. So that is the main use of neuron. So what is the limitation of neuron? So single neuron at a time methodology, uh, amalgamated with complementing technologies according to that allows the recording or imaging groups of neurons, which helps build a better understanding of complex neural networks. Means when we are trying to say that we are trying to learn the neuron, and the neurons are responsible for the learning purpose. Now if we are talking about the neurons that are used in the deep learning structure, now if we are talking that it is a deep learning structure, then whenever we are having a deep learning neural network, it is always a complex model, and that is the main difference between deep learning and neural network. The neural network with high complexity is nothing but the deep learning network. So, if we are trying to use the computation in single neuron at single one time, then definitely that will give us a better understanding. But the time complexity will be very high, because if we are processing a single neuron at single time and we are trying to learn about that particular technology or computation that is performed on that single neuron, then that will give us a very good understanding, but the time complexity will be very much more, because when we are applying the differential equations on that, they are very much not always easy to analyze. More times it is complex. So if they are not easy to analyze, then definitely it's always a time consuming task to understand and perform the particular single neuron methodology at one time. The rapidly growing single cell sequencing technologies have always gathered the ample data for the future assessment, and that is presented never before seen map of the brain. Means, as we can say that the neural network is growing day by day, and as it is growing day by day, we are having a number of neurons that are working on the particular neural network. That means we are having a ample of data, so we can think this particular ample of data is a very high input, or these are the ground truth values which can be used as a we can say the ground we can say we can use it as a guide for our future assessment, where we don't know how we have to apply the function at that time. Such sequencing of the neurons will work as a ground truth value in the future assessment. That means it is necessary to store all this type of architectures, so that whatever activities we will have, that activities can work as a ground truth value in particular assessment when we are trying it in the future. So these are we can say that these are some disadvantages. Like one more disadvantage is when we are trying for certain output, and if we are trying for certain output and the prediction is not exactly what we expect, then we have to think about how much hidden layers we can have in that particular neural network development process. So again, that is one more limitation, because you are already inserted neurons in your network, and what amount of data you are requiring you don't know, and because of that you are getting the wrong predictions. So that is one more disadvantage, that whatever data you are requiring, according to that you should choose the neurons. But many times if the data is high, we will require number of neurons, or many times it will be working on less number of neurons as well. So that are some limitations of neurons that gives us the wrong prediction. Now in our next section we will see the deep belief network, which are generally called as the DBNs. Thank you.